Hi guys, and welcome back to the art challenge and the 10-page challenge with Jenny. It's been a while since I've done these videos and I apologise for that guys, but life and other crafty stuff has been going on. I've had problems with the PC, I've had to buy a new monitor, I've had to buy a new graphics card. Oh, it's been crazy. But we're back, and today I've got a huge surprise for you guys. We've got Jenny's papers. Jenny has finished all her papers. I need to crack on and do mine. I think I've got 3 or 4 to finish off, but yeah. These are Jenny's papers. I am so much looking forward to seeing these. I had a sneak preview of them. Jenny's been very busy and she got very excited with all our lovely colours. Just for a quick recap guys, this like turquoise, it doesn't look very turquoise on here, but it's kind of a turquoisey blue, and the pale yellow is what Jenny chose, and I chose the army green and the burgundy, and we can use black and white and 1 metallic. So how different are my papers to Jenny's? Interesting. Shall we see? Both myself and Jenny have actually made more than 10 pages because we got that excited doing it. And Jenny is, her papers and her artwork is very tactile. So, shall we have a look see? This is crinkly. She's used the greens and the blues mixed there with a bit of black as well. Look at that. It's like just painted on. That looks like lovely and grungy, and oh, I love that. I love it. What I've got now. Oh, nice. This is like an old map, look. Apple barrow. So that's got the blue on it. That's coming out more red than it actually is, guys. It's actually a more of a burgundy colour on there. I love that. Again, it's very thick. It's very tactile. You can feel the paint on it. I love it. Look at this one. Got the yellow coming through, you got the blue and the burgundy. Again, it's the map. I think what Jenny's done, because these aren't full size like A4, which you don't have to have, she's probably like counting 2 as 1, which I've done in mine as well. But look at that. Look how the blue's coming through there. With my stubby nails. Look at that. Isn't that lovely how it's coming through there? I'm so excited. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's shiny. We've got some metallic going on in this one, guys. Look at that. There's the yellow coming through really well there. Oh, the awesome things we're going to be able to make with this. Ooh, look at this one. Okay, the colours might not look the same to you as they do to me because my setup's not very good, guys. But look at that. That's going to be brilliant. I love it. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is like thick. You can see the texture on that if I put it right close. Nice thick card. I love that. That is lovely. Ooh. Look at this. It's all different bits of paper stuck on. And it's crinkly, it's thick, very tactile. You put some stamping on it. Art department. Can you hear that? How thick it is. That's beautiful. Learn from yesterday. Love for today. Hope for tomorrow. Ooh, look at this one. Ah, there's like squares all stuck on top. So each individual square is stuck on, look guys. Can you see that? And it's very tactile, nice thick card. I should have done some cards, shouldn't I? This is lovely. The blues and the yellows fitting them well there. That's going to make some couple of nice pockets. Or pages. Oh, so many ideas running through my head, guys, on what I'm going to do. Oh, again, a thick tactile. Turn it around so you can see the texture on the paper. You see that texture? That's what she's painted on. And stamped. It looks like watercolour maybe, inking. Like distress inking. That's amazing. I love it. Oh, another one. That's thick. And the bright yellow on the back. And these are all being stuck on top as well. Bingo. Got some clocks going on. Vintage. Isn't that lovely? Children's special ticket. Postcard. With the yellows and the burgundy. I love that. Oh yes. She loves a painting and a printing. Is this a jelly print? I think this is a jelly print. I think it is. I'm not very good at jelly printing, guys. But I think the way it's pulled off the paper like that, I think it's jelly print. Where the blue fades into the yellow or the other way around. That's really, really nice. Because normally when you put blue and yellow together, it goes green. But that hasn't gone green at all. Really clever. Oh yes, jelly prints. She's a jelly print. So she's used the burgundy and the black on this one with a touch of white. And the textures in there, guys. That's some old. It's like a printout. You know when you do put re-ink your printer and it chucks out one of these prints. Maybe it's something like that. Oh yes. Graffiti. It reminds me of graffiti. Again, it's very thick and textured. And another one underneath as well. Look at that. We've got all the colours in that one. Apart from the green. Got the yellow, the blue, the burgundy. And some black. I love it. Again, with this one, just slightly different. This does have some green in it. And that metallic as well. Is it metallic in that one? I think it's just shining a little bit. So I think already we know that Jenny's into her thick, textured, tactile papers. I can't wait to do something with these guys. I will get them scanned at some point today, and I'll upload them to Patreon for you in a scanned version for you to download. This one's all stuck on as well, guys. Each individual piece is separately glued to the paper and then painted over. Or painted over and then glued on. You can see it's nice and thick. Again, really thick, really tactile. Obviously, when I scan them, guys, it'll just be on plain paper for you guys when you print off at home. But we'll just go backwards and have another look through them all. They're absolutely beautiful. Lovely. Sorry if I'm quiet, but my brain's going round and round and round thinking of all the different things I'm going to do with these. These are going to be lovely for pockets. I just love touching them and touchy-feely. I think this one's my favourite. I really, really, really do like that one. And this one with the textures. I should get more into doing textured work. I've started with my my journals, like sticking things on the background. Like I say, I'm useless at gel printing. Absolutely useless at it. I did try. All my papers got stuck to it. I had to scrape it off. I like these as well with the maps. It's a really clever idea. I love it. So there we go, guys. That is Jenny's papers. Again, I will get them scanned onto my machine and uploaded to Patreon for you guys to download. And next up will be me finishing mine. And then the big project will happen where both me and Jenny are making a journal. Or something. Might not be a journal. Who knows? And we'll be putting them on eBay for charity. So, thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of Jenny's papers. See you soon.